what is the value of c such that the line y equals 2x minus 3 is tangent to the parabola y equals cx squared. So we want to find the value of c so that this line is tangent to the parabola this. So line tangent to the parabola means the slope of this line should match the slope of this line, this curve. Okay, the slope should be the same and they should share one point. I mean, the line should touch the parabola at one point. That means the x, y coordinates should be the same. So what is the slope of this line here? Okay, slope of the line, this is y equals mx plus b, so m, that's the 2, slope is 2. What is the slope of this parabola at any point x, because we don't know the particulars, so c is there. So slope of the curve, which is parabola, so we can find the derivative, right? Y prime derivative is, that's the 2cx. So that is at any point. I mean, this is the slope at every point, at any point, because the slope of line is always the same. And here the slope at particular, at any x is 2cx. And they should be the same because this line is tangent to the parabola. So this implies 2 equals 2cx. We can divide both sides by 2. That leaves 1 equals cx, or c is, or cx equals 1. We can leave just cx equals 1, or c is 1 over x. Okay, so the value of c will be known as soon as we know the value of x, because c is 1 over x. Now, since this line touches the parabola, because tangent means it should touch at one point, the y coordinates should be the same, or x, and at the same time x coordinates should be the same. So here is y equals something, we also have y equals something. So this 2x minus 3 should be equal to cx squared. Okay, note that 2x minus 3 should, because that y equals, and y equals cx squared, they should be equal. Now we're going to apply c equals 1 over x from there and solve for c, solve for x. Okay, or we could have solved for x, that would be in terms of c, and we could have finished the problem. Let me do that. Okay, this is c equals 1 over x, which is same as x equals 1 over c. So x is now written in terms of c, so I'm going to replace x by c. So 2 times x is 1 over c, minus 3 equals c times x squared is now 1 over c squared. 1 over c quantity squared, 1 over c squared. Now we can cancel 1c from top and bottom. Okay, this is 2 copies of c, 1 over c, so 2 over c minus 3 equals 1 over c, 2 over c, 1 over c. Let's subtract 1 over c from both sides. So 2 over c minus 1 over c, and add 3 to the both sides. 2 over c minus 1 over c, just 1 over c, equals 3. Now we can cross multiply, and that gives us c equals, move c over, so 1 over 3. So c equals 1 over 3, and that's what we are asked here.